So, ASTEC is a charter school, which means that it is a public school of choice. And we serve really the urban, inner city, Oklahoma City area.
ASTEC is a family. We're a family that is a school. We are teachers and families who are striving to bring up our children in the best educational manner possible. We, of course, are always worried about their education, and we want them, to get good grades and to learn things, but we are also worried about, their emotional status. We're also worried about what's going on at home. To be able to be that person to go to bat for them each day, that person to support them, that person to give them a smile when maybe they've had a rough morning. That's why I believe we're a family first, because we do focus on education, but we also focus on the whole child.
So it does say in the job description that I teach language arts, but it's way more than that. I'm a counselor and a friend and a mom and a disciplinarian and their teacher all in one package. And that's what I love about it.
We do have freedom in the classroom to do what we want to do. In regards to, we are very project-based. So it's not just lecture things out of a book, We don't even have a textbook. We have textbooks, for resources, but I don't teach out of a textbook.
I think that, especially my administration at the elementary school, if it's good for the kids, they're gonna be for it 100%. If I have an idea or if I have a need, they're gonna go to bat for me and try to get it for me no matter what, or get the permission that I need to do a certain project.
As a teacher, it's important to be able to do what you think is best for your group of students. Every class is different, every kid is different. I've been at schools where on Tuesday we're on this page, on Wednesday we're on this page, and if they didn't get it, too bad, we're moving on. Here, it's not like that. We are standards-based. I have the Oklahoma State standards for 5th grade, and that's my guide.
Being the new person here at ASTEC made me really nervous, just trying to start a new program and being really successful with my peers and my colleagues, especially with a lack of experience and technical education. But my peers and my colleagues reassured me that that's just a regular feeling. It's a very open community, very embracive of new people, whether you have that experience background or not, and they're ready to give you guidance and sincere advice.
We do offer a number of support systems for new teachers, those who are new to teaching or those who are new to ASTEC. I am a mentor teacher, so I have 2 people who are my mentees this year. You're not just thrown out there and say, hey, good luck, have fun. We really all help one another. We've got a group text, and somebody today texted, hey, does anybody have a set of playground equipment I could use for this thing I'm doing? Or does anybody have a set of beans I could use for math counting? So it's very sharing, and I think it's a wonderful place.
We also have a really nice pay scale, which is better than a lot of other public schools, and a lot of opportunities for incentives and bonuses, especially if you've been here for a couple of years. So that's also kind of nice.
I think people often talk about regret and thinking about an opportunity that could have come by, and they imagine what if. I think this opportunity might not have happened for me if I didn't take that initial first step to reach out, and it's really only because I've gotten to be better and I've gotten to grow alongside these kids and my colleagues.